My AC was making a loud noise and the fan was running slow and it's not cooling off. So I found that capacitor was not within the range, and then I replaced that, but still it was making noise. So what I did is, I think it may be needing a booster, but instead of doing a booster, what I did is I separated the fan capacitor, a new one for fan capacitor, and keep it only, even though it's a dual capacitor, I just used it for only for the compressor to kickstart, and with that one it is running perfectly fine now. No loud noise, and fan is running at the speed.